Hi there! Welcome to Fun to Fluent English.
There are two types of people, those who back up their data and those who will.
Let's break it down.
There are two types of people.
There are two types of people. There exist two kinds of individuals. Repeat. There are two types of people. There are two types of people. Usage examples. There are books on the table. There are birds in the garden. There are cookies in the oven. There are many reasons to be happy. Two. They have two children. He has two jobs. I have two cats. He ate two apples. She bought two dresses. We need two more chairs. They are 2 minutes late. We saw two movies last night. Types. He likes all types of music. There are many types of birds. There are different types of coffee. We offer several types of services. There are different types of learning styles. Of a group of people. A cup of coffee. A piece of cake. A type of bird. A pair of shoes. Many people attended the concert. There are people who love the rain. A lot of people are talking about the new movie. Most people enjoy a good meal. Some people prefer tea over coffee. Few people understand the complexity of this issue. Old people often have interesting stories to tell.
those who back up their data, and those who will.
Those who back up their data, and those who will. Back up. The ones who make a copy of their information, and the ones who will do it in the future. Repeat. Those who back up their data, those who back up their data, and those who will, and those who will. Usage examples. Those who work hard will succeed. He admires those who take risks. She doesn't trust those who lie. Those who read a lot have a wide vocabulary. Those who ignore history are doomed to repeat it. Who? I know a girl who plays the piano. We met a doctor who works in Canada. The people who live next door are very friendly. The man who called you is waiting. I thank the teacher who helped me. Back up. Don't forget to back up your files. You should back up your files regularly. It's important to back up your work regularly. She uses a cloud service to back up her photos. The system automatically backs up all the data. I forgot to back up my work and I lost everything. We need to respect their opinions. They left their books on the table. The students are proud of their achievements. My parents told me about their trip. Data. She lost all her data when her computer crashed. The data is stored on a secure server. The data is encrypted to protect it from hackers. The data has been corrupted. He entered the data into the computer. The data was collected through a survey. We need more data to make a decision. The data shows a significant increase in sales. They will arrive tomorrow. She will call you when she arrives. I will finish the report tomorrow. He will regret his decision. You will understand when you're older. We will not tolerate this behavior. Vocabulary recap. There are 2 types of people. Those who back up their data and will read. Listen.
There are 2 types of people, those who back up their data and those who will.
Do you back up your data regularly? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.